Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 11 12 subject and mathematics first paper chapter name trigonometric ratios of associated and compound angles. Exercise 7b lecture 2. Today's lesson to explain trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Definition: the sum or the difference of two or more angles is called compound angle. As for example, here A and B both angle. So A plus B is a compound angle. A minus B also. A plus B plus C and A minus B plus C all are compound angles. Formulae: when both A and B are positive acute angles and A plus B less than 90 degree, then we can prove sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Follow the proof. Here OX is an initial line, that's mean let a revolving line starting from the initial position OX revolves in the anti-clockwise direction, traces angle XOY is equal to A, and revolving further in the same direction traces out the angle YOZ is equal to B. As a result, angle XOZ is equal to A plus B. Clear? Now draw two perpendiculars from any point on the line OZ are PQ and PR respectively. Again, from any point on the line OY, draw two perpendiculars RT and RS respectively. Clear? As a result, explanation. As a result, TR equal to QS, because TR perpendicular on PQ and PQ perpendicular on OX. So this and this are parallel and also equal, and TQ equal to RS, and the angle TPR. Here are huge number of right angles at present. As for example, TPR, PRO, ORS, OPQ, TR, this point all are right angle triangle, because PR perpendicular on OY, TR perpendicular on PQ, PQ perpendicular on OX, RS perpendicular on OX. So these are right angle triangle. And here angle TPR, this equal to, we can write 90 degree minus angle PRT, because angle PTR this equal to 90 degree. Clear? So in right angle triangle PTR, angle TPR this equal to 90 degree minus angle PRT. Clear? That's mean this, as angle PTR is equal to 90 degree. Again follow PR perpendicular on OY. So the angle PRO this equal to what? PRO this equal to 90 degree, because PR perpendicular on OY. As a result, 90 degree minus this angle, as total angle. This total angle is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree minus this angle, that's mean PRT. We can write angle TRO as total angle 90 degree. Clear everyone? But TRO is alternate angle ROQ or ROS or ROX or YOX, this equal to A. So angle TPR, this equal to angle A. Clear? Now follow the explanation. From the right angle triangle POQ, POQ, this angle is equal to what? This angle is equal to A plus B. So sine A plus B, that's mean this total angle, we can write PQ by OP. As this is a given angle, so PQ is opposite side or perpendicular and OP is a hypotenuse, as this is the right angle. As a result, sine A plus B equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, that's mean PQ by OP. But PQ is equal to what? PQ is equal to PT plus TQ, and TQ is equal to what? RS. Now follow the explanation. Here PQ is equal to PT plus TQ by OP. This equal to, you can write and separate PT by OP, and TQ is equal to what? TQ is equal to RS. Clear? But PT by OP, that's mean PT by OP doesn't make a relation. For making relation, we have to take extra length. That's mean PT by PR into PR by OP. As we have take here PR extra, so for vanishing this, we have to take another PR. As a result, PR cut. This equal to will get PT by OP. That's mean this. So this equal to, you can write this. Similarly, we can write this equal to this. Now follow this, that's mean PT by PR. PT mean this by PR. As this is a given angle, so PT is adjacent side mean base. So base by hypotenuse, this equal to cos, and angle this is a, so here will be A. And another one is PR by OP. PR, that's mean this, by OP, this mean this. So in triangle PRO, this is a given angle. So PR is a perpendicular and OP is a hypotenuse. So PR by OP, this equal to, that's mean perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, this equal to sine B. So here will be sine B plus RS by OR. RS mean this by OR. OR mean this. So RS by OR, as this is a given angle, so RS will be perpendicular or opposite side. So perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, this equal to sine A. And OR by OP, OR mean this by OP. B is a given angle, so OR adjacent side or base, so base by hypotenuse, this equal to cos B. Clear? Therefore sine A plus B, this equal to cos A sine B plus sine A cos B, or sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. As here is plus, so you can write any one of this in first or second, no problem position. Similarly, we can prove this. That means cos A plus B. Cos A plus B mean what? OQ by OP. The triangle POQ. Cos A plus B. As this angle is given, so OQ by OP. OQ by OP mean OS minus QS by OP. As OQ mean OS minus QS. But QS is equal to what? TR. So this equal to QS is equal to TR. But this and this doesn't make a relation. So for making relation, this equal to, we can write this, and this equal to, we can write this. As a result, OS by OR. OS mean this by OR. as this is a given angle, so OS is a base, so OS by OR this equal to cos A, and another one is OR mean this by OP, as this is a given angle, so OR is a base, so base by hypotenuse this equal to cos B, minus here will be sin A sin B, that's mean TR by PR, TR mean this by PR, as this is a given angle, so TR is a opposite side or perpendicular. So this equal to sin A, and PR by OP. PR mean this by OP, as this is a given angle. So this, that's mean PR is a opposite side or perpendicular. So this equal to sin B. Therefore cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is another proved. Clear? In the same way, we can prove, that's mean this is a assessment, when both A and B are positive acute angles and A greater than B, we can prove sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and cos A minus B this equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We have to prove this like in the previous way. Some more formulae are very essential for solving this exercise. That's mean 10A plus B equal to 10A plus 10B divided by 1 minus 10A 10B. 10A minus B equal to 10A minus 10B divided by 1 plus 10A 10B. Cot A plus B equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B, or you can write here cot B plus cot A. Cot A plus B equal to cot A cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. Here will be cot A minus B, not plus. Okay, when minus, here will be plus. Where when plus, here will be minus. This is a minus. And from the previous formula, that means sin A plus B and sin A minus B. By applying sin A plus B and sin A minus B, we can write sin square A minus sin square B equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Okay, sin A plus B means sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B means sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That's mean this equal to, we can write sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That's mean this equal to, we can write sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B. From this we can write sin square A minus sin square B. Proof is given in your book, you can see. Okay. Similarly, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, this equal to cos square A minus sin square B minus, sorry, this equal to cos square B minus sin square A. Clear? 10A plus B into 10A minus B, this equal to 10 square minus 10 square B by 1 minus 10 square A into 10 square B. That's mean 10A plus B equal to this, and 10A minus B equal to this. Here A plus B, and here A minus B. So formula will be 10 square A minus 10 square B, and here also minus, here also plus. So here also the formula A plus B into A minus B, that's mean A square minus B square, that's mean this. Very easy. And cot A plus B into cot A minus B, this equal to cot square A minus into cot square B minus 1 by cot square B minus cot square A. Okay, you have to remember all these formulae. Now follow the solution of some problems. 1 number, find the value of sine 15 degree. You have to use formula, not calculator. 15 degree mean 45 degree minus 30 degree. So here is a form, sin A minus B. Sin A minus B equal to what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. A mean 45 degree, B mean 30 degree. But we know 45 degree is equal to what? 45 degree, this equal to 1 by root 2, and cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Here also 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. We know this relation. Here will be 3 by 2 root 2 and here 1 by 2 root 2. Here will be root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the required answer. Problem to find the value of this here. Cos 60 degree 20 minute, cos 8 degree 20 minute. Here cos 68 degree, not 60. And here cos 81 degree 40 minute, cos 21 degree 40 minute. And we know 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. And also 1 minute is equal to 60 second. We know this relation because first chapter, that means 6a, we have already explained relation between degree and minute and second. So this is a given condition, and first is fixed. Here will be cos 81 degree 40 minute, this equal to, we can write 90 degree minus 8 degree 20 minute, because here is given 8 degree 20 minute. So for making this, we can subtract from 90 degree. Okay. And here cos 21 degree 40 minute. 21 degree 40 minute means 90 degree minus 68 degree 20 minute. That's mean this. Okay. Now this fixed, this equal to, we can write sine 8 degree 20 minute, and here also sine 68 degree 20 minute, because here is 90 degree, that's mean number of right angle 1, so sine cos will be sine, here also cos will be sine, and this type of math we have already solved. Okay, for making formula we have to write this as a result. This makes a formula, that's mean cos A minus B, because here is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B mean cos A minus B. A means 68 degree, that's mean greater angle, B mean small angle, that's mean 8 degree 20 minute. After calculate, we'll get cos 60 degree, this equal to half. This is the required answer. Problem 3, find the value of sin x plus 30 degree plus cos x sin x plus 120 degree. So this equal to, we can write this is a given condition, but 120 degree, this equal to, we can write 90 degree plus 30 degree and x fixed. This also like as previous math. This part fixed, here also 90 sin 90 degree mean cos x plus 30 degree. 90 degree equal to number of right angle 1, so sine will be cos, and 90 degree plus something means second quadrant sine positive, so here will be plus. That's mean this same. Now write in errands, this equal to, you can write cos A cos B plus sin A sin B mean cos A minus B. So this cut will get cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. This is the required answer. Problem 4, prove that this equal to this. This is the left hand side. Now take common cos 25 degree. As a result, here will be 1. But as here is cos 25 degree absent, so this will be sin 25 degree by cos 25 degree. Similarly, in the same way, the denominator will be this. So cos 25 degree cut, here 1 minus tan 25 degree by here plus tan 25 degree. But we have to prove that right hand side will be tan 20 degree. So this equal to, you can write tan 45 degree, because tan 45 degree, this equal to 1. And here is of the form tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Yes, here is no tan 45 degree, but we can write tan 45 degree, because tan 45 degree, this equal to 1. For making formula, we have to write this. As a result, right side will be tan 45 degree minus 25 degree, this equal to tan 20 degree. This is the right hand side Proof is complete. Five number, if a cos x plus alpha equal to b cos x minus alpha, prove that a plus b tan x equal to a minus b cot alpha. Given that this is a given condition, and this equal to, we can write cos a plus b mean cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, as here is a is in the on into, so we can write a into cos a cos alpha minus a into sin x sin alpha. Similarly here will be cos x cos alpha plus sin x sin alpha, as here b is in the form into multiplication, so b into cos x cos alpha plus b into sin x sin alpha. Now b cos x cos alpha convert into left side, and this convert into right side, and right side when take common sin x sin alpha, here will be a plus b, and left side when will take common cos x cos alpha, here will be a minus b. Now divide or alternando, here cos alpha, here sin alpha, so sin alpha take to left side and cos x take into right side. As a result, right side will be sin x by cos x, left side will be cos alpha by tan alpha. So this is a cot alpha and this is a tan x. Therefore tan a plus b into tan x equal to a minus b cot alpha. Proof is complete. Problem 6. Cot alpha plus cot beta equal to a, tan alpha plus tan beta this equal to b, and alpha plus beta this equal to theta. We have to prove that a minus b tan theta equal to ab. This is a given condition, and denote equation number 1, 2 and 3. From 1 we get this cot alpha mean 1 by tan alpha, cot beta mean 1 by tan beta. LCM will be tan alpha tan beta, here will be tan beta plus tan alpha, but tan beta plus tan alpha this equal to b, therefore b by this from 2, therefore tan alpha tan beta this equal to b by a. Okay, that's this take here and this into here by alternando. Again from 3 we get alpha plus beta equal to theta. Now tan on both sides, we'll get tan alpha plus beta this equal to tan theta. Therefore tan theta this equal to tan alpha plus beta mean tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, but tan alpha plus tan beta mean b by a, and sorry b, and tan alpha into tan beta mean b by a, that's mean b by 1 minus b by a. By calculating we'll get ab by a minus b, therefore a minus b into tan theta this equal to ab. This is the required proof. Very easy proof, just you have to give more time. Okay, I tried to solve different kinds of math in this exercise. Okay, so everybody will solve the remaining problem in this exercise, and I'll give 7 days for solving this exercise. Okay, so everybody will solve properly this exercise and submit the copy in 21 October 2020 time 7 p.m. Thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.